Good morning, this is Andy with Great Escapes RV. Here we have our 2021 3995 Bighorn. This is a front kitchen model, about 43 foot, 10 inches long, gross vehicle weight rating of 16.5. 5 slide outs. There's a nice shot of the storage for you. There's location if you want to hook a TV in for outside entertainment. Power awning. Tinted frameless windows. This has 6-point auto leveling on it as well. Very spacious floor plan. Those 5 slides really open it up. Great for the full-timer. And a rear hitch on the back. And we'll just get a view going up to the top there so you can see the condition of this. And heated water compartment. There's filtration system. Upgraded pin. Take a walk to the interior. Alright, I'm just going to stand back here for a second. You can see how that front kitchen looks. All linoleum. In the upper area we have this desk. Residential refrigerator with the lower freezer unit. Pull-out kitchen faucet, solid surface countertops. Lots of storage. 3-burner cooktop, oven, microwave. This is triple AC units. Living area has ceiling fan. And you can see the fireplace, which has electric heat, as well as Jensen sound system, TV. And on the slide is sleeper sofa. And theater seating. This is a change the original owner made. They put the desk over here, windows all the way around. And going into the bathroom, foot pedal flush porcelain toilet, 1-piece shower, skylight above, high output vent fan, and medicine cabinet with sink below. Bedroom area with 2 slides, and it's a king bed. There's washer dryer prep behind that cabinet right there. And then on this slide, obviously a wardrobe and an area to put a bedroom TV if you wish. Anyways, you have some questions on this, please do reach out. 417-512-7595. Thanks.